Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you exactly why your AI project is failing and how to stop your AI tool from becoming an expensive AI toy. All you ever see online are the success stories and the hype, but no one shows you the part where things really break. Here is the behind the scenes view of why AI projects fail using my own example. Last month, my friends and I spent 3 days and 200 text messages to pick one spot for brunch. The problem was finding one restaurant that checks the box for everyone's availability, diet, budgets, and required amenities. I thought, this is an interesting use case for AI. I can build this in a week. It took a month and dozens of iterations. Here's what broke and why your project is probably stuck at the same points. Before starting, I define success. The agent must return valid restaurant information that meets all user preferences. I created a first version where I gave a very detailed prompt. I wrote instructions like be an expert concierge, don't hallucinate, give me hidden gems. I even used one-shot prompting. I felt like I was done. ChatGPT demos say just write a good prompt, right? Wrong. One recommendation was 500 miles away and another was permanently closed. Even for a generic use case like restaurant search, AI was failing. I learned that AI cannot use its general internet knowledge to perform a structured task. When you ask it for an address, it grabs an old closed listing because it doesn't have a reliable live tool to check. AI was confidently making up things and failing to deliver valid results. Lesson 1. AI can't deliver without good data. Prompts alone can't fix this access problem. Your AI is only good as the live structured tools you provide. Most projects die here because people confuse general knowledge with reliable access. Then I built version 2. I connected the tool to Google Maps Places API. This provided structured real-time data, real hours, real menus, and real ratings. But here's what no one tells you. You can't just point AI to an API and expect it to work. I had to completely rewrite the instructions to teach it how to use the data. I had to spell out every edge case. If outdoor seating is false, it means the restaurant does not have outdoor seating. LLM needs explicit instructions. And now it worked. Real valid restaurants and information. Lesson 2. You cannot simply connect your data and expect AI to learn. You have to teach it how to interpret and act on every piece of it. The tool worked, but it was tedious. I'd ask, find me vegan restaurants in San Francisco. AI would list 3 places. Then I'd ask, does ABC have outdoor seating? The agent would reply, please tell me which city ABC is in. It forgot everything from the prior turn. Lesson 3. Without memory, every conversation starts from zero. So I added memory. I added short-term memory for current chat and long-term memory for preferences. Now AI could handle follow-up conversations using the data from the search results and the history from our chats. The agent finally worked, but it was in a Python script on my laptop that no one used. Even I didn't use it because I wasn't carrying my laptop around everywhere. Lesson 4. If it's not in your daily workflows, you won't use it. So I added email integration. Now anybody could email this AI assistant and get answers within minutes. I CC'd this agent when I planned social events with my friends. Soon my friends started using it even without me asking them to. This is why AI projects fail. You built it where you work, but not where they work. In summary, to move from an AI toy to a useful AI tool, you need these 4 elements. Clear prompts. Spell out every edge case and desired behavior. Good data. Use real structured data sources and teach AI how to use them. Memory. Give it context so conversations don't start from zero. Daily workflow integration. Meet users where they already are and interface you already use. Most projects especially die because of the data layer or at the integration layer. This framework isn't just about restaurant search. It applies to any repetitive AI process that you're currently automating. Right now, 12 of my friends use this agent on a weekly basis. It works because I debugged all 4 failure points. If you're building AI for your business and keep hitting these walls, I specialize in pressure testing AI until it actually works. Follow me on YouTube and subscribe to my newsletter in the links below. Thanks for watching.